Okay, so guys, this was an old update. I know I'm just uploading this now, but I'm sorry, bruh. I was trying to put a lot of videos and upload them at once. So, yeah, bro. Yeah, you now get it? What the hell is this chatting? Oh, you dance. Bruh. Yeah, it's e-dance. Bruh. Hey, yo. Hey, yo, don't look at my messages. Dang. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think so. Okay. You don't have great spelling? Hey, yo, how old are you? Nah, chocolate, look. See? Brown skin to chocolate. Oh, hell no. Okay, go get serious. What serious? Oh, serious? Oh, dang. What is this for? So, it's diminished like this. Okay, I fixed my audio, so I'm now louder. Yeah, that thing is so loud, bro. Why are you looking at me like that? You know about scratching me? Yeah, heavenly. I see the heavenly, not the algorithm. Oh, if I can get the barbecue arrows, it'll contact the owner. I use my barbecue arrow. I need the cook arrow. Dang, you're still playing! Dang, I have more shekels than that guy. Kaiser, I used it in the news. Okay, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.